Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to give you a run through of the new macOS Sonoma operating system. More specifically, I'm going to run through 5 of the new features coming to the new version of macOS. So let's get started. So I'm here on the Apple website, and as we scroll down, the first new feature that they really highlight is screensavers. So, screensavers maybe not the most essential element of computing at the moment, but what they have added are slow motion screensavers. So if you have an Apple TV, it's essentially the same as the screensavers that you will find on that. So that is now included in macOS Sonoma. So when you log into your Mac, they become the desktop picture and their landscape, cityscape, underwater, and earth categories to choose from. So next up is quite a cool one. So that is the ability to add widgets to your desktop. So they've kind of been contained over to the notification center so far, but now they can actually become part of your desktop. So you can set the widgets, as it highlights down here, to actually fade into the background so that they're not too distracting. But one of the cool features as well is if you have an iPhone nearby on use on the same Wi-Fi network, you'll be able to use widgets that you have configured for your iPhone. So that obviously gives access to many more widgets and much more information on your Mac. So a very cool feature there. So number 3 are improvements to video conferencing. So obviously in this day and age, it's increasingly common to be using more and more video conferencing. So new features in macOS Sonoma enhance FaceTime, Zoom, Skype, and other video conferencing apps. So one of the main things they have is this new presenter overlay. So that lets you show yourself and your shared screen to give a presentation to others. So you can either be in front of your shared screen, you can either be in a circle above it, so you can be on here or you can be in that circle. So new reactions such as thumbs up, hearts, and more. You can add confetti, balloons, or hearts to the screen, and then that will probably be fun for about 5 minutes before it gets a little bit irritating. But all cool new features that you can add with video conferencing. So next up, we have improvements to Safari. So the first part is creating profiles. So one way this might be useful, so if you have a Mac that's both for work and for personal, sometimes that might get a bit confusing if you've got bookmarks and favorites, etc. So Safari Profiles now allows you to create separate profiles for different activities. So you could have one for work, one for leisure. If you're a freelancer, you could have one profile for each client, okay? And one of the other cool features is the ability to essentially turn a website into an app. So when you visit a website that you want to use regularly, click the share button, then choose add to dock, and it'll essentially save it as a mini application and put it in your dock. So if you click the dock icon to open it, you'll see that the website and nothing else, no address bar and no tabs. So essentially kind of turning your website into an app that you can add to the dock. And lastly for this video is improvements to passwords. So obviously passwords are personal, but there may be some accounts that you share with friends or families or co-workers. So a new password and passkey sharing feature allows you to share credentials with others. So you can create a group, choose which passwords to share. If passwords are updated, others in the group get the update via their iCloud keychain. So you can also remove passwords or users from the group at any time. So that'll do it for this video. That's just 5 quick new features coming to macOS Sonoma. There are more features available, but those are kind of the top 5 that I feel are coming in the new operating system. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.